Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bubble rings with your hands, only way. Cup your hands to form a smooth circular tunnel, keep thumbs tight, and leave a small hole. Approach slowly underwater to reduce turbulence, then flick your wrist outward sharply while keeping wrists level. Push a steady exhale through the hole to feed the ring. Practice at mid-depth, adjust hand size, and repeat until you see stable rings. Start by trimming fingernails and removing loose gear to protect the ring formation. Keep hands relaxed, not rigid, to let water flow smoothly through the tunnel. Avoid large elbow movements that create drag and break rings. Use a compact wrist flick instead. Experiment with different tunnel diameters to control ring size and speed. If rings wobble, slow the wrist motion and try a gentler exhale to stabilize the vortex and preserve the ring. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tips and faster progress. On another note, consider the product seen here, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes cleaning effortless after long pool sessions. It navigates efficiently and empties itself for hands-free upkeep. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. If your rings collapse immediately, check for air leaks between your palms and thumbs and reseal the tunnel. Practice with a partner watching from the side to confirm ring shape and trajectory. Use a GoPro or phone on a float to record attempts and compare motions. Try 1/4 inch changes to the tunnel diameter and note the effect. Consistent practice in calm water builds muscle memory and improves ring longevity and aesthetic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.